Okay, the final step on any DIY maintenance project on your BMW is going to be to reset that service indicator light. So when you are in the car, you're going to push the start stop button with your foot not on the gas, and you are going to, or sorry, not on the brake, and you are going to see that little service indication that you need. And once that goes away, you can hold in your odometer reset button over here and just keep holding it in until this comes back up. Now, once it's here, you can scroll through all of the services that it keeps track of. And the one you want to reset, you're going to hold the button in one more time and then let go when it asks you if you want to reset. And then for the third time, hold it in, and it is going to reset that for you. So now we are good until 12 of 2021. So now when we go back to our vehicle status and we do our check control, all systems are okay. And for our service required, we can see that the brake fluid is no longer red. Everything is green and good to go.